my name is Fran, I'm from Wales and I work for the Eco Schools programme in Wales. And what motivated me to join this CISU was constantly learning. I think it's a skill that we tell our students about, we want them to do, but actually sometimes the opportunity for ourselves as teachers to be able to continue that learning ourselves. So it's a slightly selfish reason, but I wanted to continue my learning. So most impactful for me during this CISU was I think being able to meet the scientists, being able to have that direct link to people who are working directly on climate models, different aspects, different areas, and that specialism and that passion that they have, and just knowing yourself. It's inspiring. You hear that and you think, oh yes, I can see that in my classroom, or oh, that's why this textbook says this, or this resource says this, because you kind of like, okay, I can see the links now between it, and that was really, really good. But also one of the most beneficial things I think was the fact we got to meet other teachers from other countries, and that network, that choice and chance to be able to speak to other people, how they might integrate it in their classrooms, what they're already doing, how this is going to complement what's already happening, those networks and potentials for working together in the future, and so on. It's I couldn't even measure it. It's so good.